Hey children, how are you? You know why 2nd October is famous? Why this day is important? Yes, this is birth date of Mahatma Gandhi. I am Aditi Miss. I will talk about Mahatma Gandhi and his life and history. Okay children? Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. Bapuji. October 2nd is a very important day for our country. Why it is? You know that? We celebrate this day as Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Whose birthday? Mahatma Gandhi, 2nd October, the father of our nation. We also call him Bapu with great respect and affection. We call him Bapu. Long ago, on this day in 1869, a cute little baby was born in Porbandar town in Gujarat. Which state? Gujarat. Father Karamchand Gandhi and mother Putlibai named the baby as Mohan. Full name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. As a child, he was greatly influenced by the honesty and strict discipline of his father and by the simplicity and religious thoughts of his mother. At a very early age, he knows about integrity, honesty, truthfulness, and discipline. The shy little child learned great values of truthfulness, integrity, honesty, and discipline. He lived these values throughout his life: honesty, discipline, truthfulness, and integrity, and rightly demonstrated the power of these values to the entire world. Which values? Discipline, honesty, integrity, truthfulness. When Mohan grew older, then, like many other teenagers, boys, he also fell in bad company and picked up some few bad habits, such as smoking and stealing. But soon he realized his mistakes and decided to confess. He wrote down everything on a piece of paper and put it in the hands of his father, who was then very sick. His father was sick. He gave the paper. In the letter, he asked for punishment and promised never to repeat the mistakes. Look how honest he was. He wanted punishment. His father read the letter and without uttering a word, tore up the paper with a deep sigh. He felt very bad, but tears rolled down his cheeks and he lay down because he felt very bad. Seeing his father's sorrow, Mohandas also felt very bad. Mohan was deeply grieved, means he felt also very bad seeing his father's sorrow. He realized how much his father loved him. His father loved him so much. Later on, he came to understand. What he came to understand? That it was his honest confession. He confessed truly. That made his father react because he told truth, not hiding anything in this totally unexpected, non-violent way. This incident left a lasting mark on his mind. He realized the power of truth. If you say true every time, this is good for you. From that day, he resolved to always tell the truth. Always tell the truth. The incident also revealed to him the calming and healing power of non-violence or ahimsa, which could transform everything. Later, he thus took it up as a weapon in our country's struggle for freedom. After passing his matriculation examination, Mohan attended college at Bhavnagar. Where? Bhavnagar. At that time, the idea of going to England fascinated him. His elder brother then decided to send him to England to become a barrister. He left for England in September 1888. After finishing his studies, he returned to India and started practice as a lawyer in Rajkot. After some time, an offer came to him to go to South Africa as a legal advisor to an Indian firm. Mohandas accepted the offer in May 1893. He went to Natal in South Africa. In those days, there was discrimination between the white and the colored people. In South Africa, Indians were ill-treated and disgraced. They were called coolies. Very soon, Gandhiji too had his share of his experience. He was travelling in a train to Pretoria. In a first-class compartment, see what happened to him. On the way, A European passenger entered the compartment and found Gandhiji in it. He complained to the station master, "Take this coolie out and put him in a lower class." Gandhiji raised an objection that he had a first class ticket. But nobody heard him. A policeman pushed him out with his bag and baggage. It was a very humiliating experience. He decided to fight against this inhuman color discrimination and help the Indians living there in their struggle for civil rights. However, unlike other contemporary protesters, he took up the weapons of the truth and non-violence, which he later named as Satyagraha, Ahimsa, to fight against the justice. He called a meeting of the Indians in Pretoria and told them to form a league. This was his first public speech. It caused a new awakening among Indians. Gradually, he became the leader of the Indian community in South Africa. After coming back to India in 1915, Gandhiji decided to fight against the injustice of the British towards his countrymen. Very soon, many people from all over the country joined him. They started calling him Bapu, means the father, and Mahatma, means the great soul. Along with his followers, Gandhiji non-violently united the whole of India against the British rule. The British arrested Bapu and his followers and sent them to jail on many occasions. But it did not deter them fighting against injustice. Gandhiji emphasized on Satyagraha as the method to be followed in the national movement against the British. He insisted on showing passive resistance, non-violent disobedience, boycotts, hunger strikes, and so on in the freedom movement. Finally, the British understood that it would not be possible to rule India in the face of such opposition and decided to go back to their own country. Our country got independence on August 15, 1947. It was the first time in the history of the world and mankind. Mahatma Gandhi inspired millions of people. That a huge victory was achieved by Satyagraha. the world over to take the path of non-violence, ahimsa, and civil disobedience. The whole world has recognized the greatness of Bapu and his novel method of satyagraha or non-violent protest. Mahatma Gandhi. Now we will see the short essay of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, in a Hindu family. He believed in simple living and high thinking. He started non-cooperation and non-violence movements to gain freedom from British rule. Under his able guidance, India became free on 15th August 1947. This great leader of our country died on 30th January 1948. People from all the religions loved him and respected him. 11-line speech on Mahatma Gandhi. I would like to speak in few words about Mahatma Gandhi. 2. The complete name of Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and people also called him Bapu affectionately. Bapuji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putlibai. Wife was Kasturba Gandhi. He got qualified as a lawyer in England. He launched the Satyagraha movement against Britishers and started another movement called Quit India movement was started by him, which force is produced to leave our country. He worked for social issues of caste and gender. Bapuji was killed on 1948. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Mahatma Gandhi year quiz. The birth year of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi 1859, 69, 72, 79. Which year? Yes, it is the year 1869. Mahatma Gandhi born. Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa 1915, 16, 17 or 18. Which year? It was the year 1915. Salt March 1925, 30, 35 or 1941. Which year? Yes, it was the year 1930. Gandhiji's first imprisonment in South Africa 1905, 06, 07 or 08. It was 1908. Gandhiji's book Hind Swaraj was banned by the British government in India 1908, 09, 10 or 1915. Yes, it was 1910. The first issue of Young India published on 1915, 16, 18 or 1919. Which year? It was 1919. Pune Pact was signed 1912, 22, 32 or 1942. Which year? It was 1932. Mahatma Gandhi met Mussolini in Rome. Which year? 1931, 35, 40 or 47. It was the year 1931. Quit India movement. 1940, 41, 42 or 1943. It was 1942. Thrown off the first class carriage of the train at Pietermaritzburg station. 1892, 93, 94 or 1895. It was the year 1893. Gandhiji's first son Harilal was born 1888, 90, 92 or 94. It was the year 1888. Gandhiji was named Time Magazine's Person of the Year. 1927, 28, 29 or 30. Which year? It was 1930. Champaran Satyagraha 1915, 16, 17 or 18. 1918. Which year? It was the year 1917. The first issue of Indian Opinion published 1900, 1903, 1905 or 1910. It was the year 1903. Gandhi was called to the bar 1888, 1889, 90 or 1891. Which year? It was the year 1891. First in India, 1918, 1920, 1921 or 1930. Which year? It was the year 1918. Last time Gandhiji released from prison. It's 1940, 42, 44 or 46. It was the year 1944. Harijan Sevak Sangha established. Which year? 1942, 1932, 22 or 1911? Oh, it was the year 1932. Indian National Congress session presided by the Mahatma Gandhi. 1920, 22, 23 or 24? It was the year 1924. Death of Kasturba Gandhi 1944, 46, 48 or 1950. It was the year 1944. Gandhi resigned from Congress party membership 1932, 34, 36 or 38. Which year? It was the year 1934. The departure of Gandhi to South Africa 1893, 94, 95 or 96. It was the year 1893. Mahatma Gandhi met Jawaharlal Nehru for the first time at Lucknow Congress session 1905, 1914, 16 or 19. It was the year 1916. Gandhi-Irving Pact was signed 1925, 27, 30 or 1931. It was the year 1931. The assassination of Mahatma Gandhi 1947, 48, 49 or 1950. It was the year 1948. Now Mahatma Gandhi quiz. Number of question 25. How many miles were covered by Gandhiji during Salt March? 200, 240, 275 or 311 miles? The answer is 240 miles. Who was the youngest child of Mahatma Gandhi? It's Manilal, Ramdas, Harilal or Devdas. Which is the answer? Yes, Devdas is the answer. Youngest child. Name the wife of Mahatma Gandhi. Name Kasturba, Putlibai, Lalitanbai or Lakshmi. What is the answer? Yes, right. Kasturba Gandhi. When was the Gandhi-Irving Pact signed? March 1, 1930, March 5, 1921, March 15, 1933 or March 5, 1931? The answer is March 5, 1931. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? दयानंद सरस्वती, Rabindranath Tagore, Gopal Krishna Gokhale or Motilal Nehru? Answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale, political guru. In which year Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa? 1900, 1910, 1912 or 1915? Answer is 1915. When did Gandhiji start the Dandi March? March 12, 1930, August 8, 1942, April 13, 1919 or August 1st, 1920? It's March 12, 1930. What is the name of the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi? Wings of Fire, The Story of My Experiments with Truth, an autobiography, or Long Walk to Freedom? Answer is The Story of My Experience with Truth. Who played the role of Mahatma Gandhi in the film Gandhi, released in 1982? Ben Kingsley, Martin Sheen, Roshan Seth or Edward Fox? Answer is A. Ben Kingsley. Mahatma Gandhi was born in which place? New Delhi, Allahabad, Cuttack or Porbandar? Answer is, it is Porbandar in Gujarat. When was the Mahatma Gandhi assassinated? It's the year 30 January 1948, 2nd October 1948, 30 January 1869 or 15th October 1869. Answer is 30th January 1948. What was the age of Mahatma Gandhi when he got married to Kasturba Gandhi? 12, 13, 15 or 18? Answer is, it's 13-year-old Mahatma Gandhi was when he got married. Who gave the little title Mahatma to Gandhi? Subhash Chandra Bose, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Rabindranath Tagore or Jawaharlal Nehru? Who gave the title? Yes, it is Rabindranath Tagore gave the title of Mahatma. Name the mother of Mahatma Gandhi. It is Putli Bai, Raliat Ben, Kasturba or Sharda Bai. Answer is Putli Bai, name of Mahatma Gandhi's mother. Where is Sabarmati Ashram located? It's Surat, in Gandhinagar, in Porbandar or in Ahmedabad? Answer is, it is in Ahmedabad. What is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi? Mohandas Gandhi, Karamchand Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Karamchand Uttam Chand Gandhi? Answer is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. When was Mahatma Gandhi born? 30 January 1948, 2nd October 1869, 30 January 1869 or 15th October 1869? It was 2nd October 1869. Who gave the title the Father of the Nation to Mahatma Gandhi? Subhash Chandra Bose, Rabindranath Tagore, Jawaharlal Nehru or B.R. Ambedkar? Answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. In which year Gandhi was named Time Magazine's Person of the Year? In 1920, 1930, 1947 or 1950? It is the year 1930. What was the profession of Gandhiji's father? Farmer, architect, Tahsildar or Diwan? What was the profession of Gandhiji's father? Yes, he was Diwan. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated in which city? It's in Calcutta, New Delhi, Ahmedabad or Lucknow? Yes, assassinated in New Delhi. In which language Gandhiji had written his biography? It's Hindi, Sanskrit, Marathi or Gujarati? Answer is, it is in Gujarati. Okay. Who assassinated Mahatma Gandhi? Dilwar Singh, Nathuram Vinayak Godse, Satwan Singh or Thenmoji Rajarnatham? Answer is Nathuram Vinayak Godse. Which one of the following book was written by Gandhiji? The Discovery of India, The Unity of India, Indian Home Rule or The Indian Struggle? Answer is Indian Home Rule. Which day is observed as the International Day of Non-Violence? Is 31st January, 2nd October, 14th November or 25th December? It is 2nd October. Thank you children. Hope you enjoyed.